Hello students, a very fresh morning to all of you. In our previous class, we have solved all the exercises of Chapter 4. Exercise 4.1, 2, 3 and 4. And you know that after completion of all the exercise, what we used to do? We used to practice, or we can call this time as what? Practice time. So let's start our practice questions. So this is a revision time also and practice time also. This is our regular practice. So during practice, some questions I am solving and rest questions you will solve. And while solving, if you will face any problem, please you contact. Now see, our first question is, find the positive root of root under 3x square plus 6 is equals to 9. This is not very difficult. We have to find the positive root of root under 3x square plus 6 is equals to 9. Positive root. So what we have to do? First we have written root 3x square plus 6 is equals to 9. Then what we have to do is squaring both the sides. So after squaring, how much we will get? 3x square plus 6 is equals to 81. This will square part will remove and 9 square will be equals to how much? 81. So 3x square is equals to 81 minus 6, that is equals to how much? 75. So x square will be equals to what? 75 by 3. 325 ja 75. So we will write x is equals to plus minus 5. So positive root is how much? You have to take positive root how much? 5. Now see our second question. Find the value of k for which one root of the quadratic equation kx square minus 14x plus 8 is equals to 0 is 6 times the other. Read the question again. Find the value of k for which one root of the quadratic equation kx square minus 14x plus 8 is equals to 0 is 6 times the other. Let us solve this. So you assume let one root is equals to alpha, other root 6 alpha, because 6 times the other. Sum of roots we know that alpha plus beta. So alpha plus 6 alpha is equals to 14 by k. What? You know that sum of roots is equal to what? That sum of roots, product of roots. Now what? This will be in your tongue only. Simply when they will ask, then quickly you can write what is the sum of roots and product of the roots. So here we will get 7 alpha is equals to 14 by k, product of roots alpha into beta, that is what? C by a. So here 6 alpha square is equals to 8 by k, solving 1 and 2. So 6 2 by k whole square is equals to 8 by k. This part you solve by yourself. By any method you can solve. Here you can write 4 by k square into 6 is equals to 8 by k, or simply here 6 for the 24 by k square is equals to 8 by k, as you have to bring it in the form of quadratic equation. So 8 3 ja 24. Here you see you can cancel this. 8 3 ja 24. So here 1, here 3. So 3 by k square is equals to how much? 1 by k. So 3k is equals to k square. Is that okay? And 3k minus k square is equals to 0. You take k common. 3 minus k is equals to 0. Again k 3 minus k is equals to 0. So one value of k is equals to 0 or k is equals to 3. But k is equals to 0 not possible. Hence our value of k is equals to how much? 3. Now it's your time to practice. The question is, solve the following quadratic equation for x. This is your part. You have to solve 4x square minus 4a square x plus a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 under bracket is equals to 0. Your next question is, solve for x 16 by x minus 1 is equals to 15 by x plus 1. Here x not equals to 0, comma not equals to minus 1. Is that okay? Now see your next question, that is your part. Find the values of k for which the quadratic equation 9x square minus 3kx plus k is equals to 0 has equal roots. This type of questions we have solved so many. So I don't think you will face any problem in such type of questions. Now, word problems. A takes 6 days less than time taken by B to finish a piece of work. If both A and B together can finish it in 4 days, find the time taken by B to finish the work. This is a word problem that you have to solve. Now next question is, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation if the real roots exist. Find them. See, nature of root. So you have to remember that you have learned about d is equals to 0, d greater than 0 and d less than 0, and accordingly you know how to find the values. Now other question for you people only. A dealer sells a toy for rupees 24 and gains as much percent as the cost price of the toy. So your part is find the cost price of the toy, which mathematical concept is used in the above problem and which value is depicted in this problem. Next, Find the value of k for which the equation 4x square plus kx plus 25 is equals to 0 has equal roots. Again, you have to use what? Nature of roots. Next question is the sum of the squares of two consecutive odd number is 394. Find the numbers. This type of questions we have solved so many. So please you try all these questions and see students, wherever you face problem, please you contact. And this question I am giving you for practice only, so that you have to practice whether you understand this chapter or not. And in this chapter, if you face any problem, please you contact. So this much for this class, and we will start new topic in new class. Till then, have a good day.